Let's move on to the next concept of slicing, that is string slicing. Next concept of string, sorry. And let's understand how does it work, slicing. So in slicing, if there's a string, if in a string we just we just want to extract some part, then we will describe start point, end point, and the step. So we just do slicing by specifying start and end index. Now, and if you want to step, we want to add a step, means we want to add alternate number like 2, second number 4, 6, 8 in a string. Then we just define a step. Otherwise, it will be complete, the start to end. So let's just slicing by specifying start and end index. So we just define a string which says let's we just copy the string from above. Let's take same string. Then just operate on that. So what we need to do, we just describe a string, I like ice cream and I love it. If we want to extract some part of it, what we will do, we just sliced a string, we will make a new string, and that will describe a string within a string 0 to, let's say, 10 characters. Okay, now if we go for print sliced string, yes, you can see there are few words where from up to 10 index these are here. So if we go for another indexing, another slicing operation, let's say we are having a string named batch, and where we are having 5 girls, 3 boys in a class, and girls, we make a substring batch. Now you can see how we can extract any part of string by slicing. Now this is from 0 to up to 8 index. Now from 8 to last part, if we really want, then what we need to do, print batch so you can see how we can extract any part. if we are specifying in this manner 0 to 8 index, and if we are specifying in this manner 8 to last one index. And this is how we operate on index by slicing. Another property that you can do on a string is so-called membership. What is membership? Now we will check what is membership. Let's say there is a string John did you attend the conference? On advanced machine learning. John, did you attend the conference on advanced machine learning? Sorry. This is the any string. So you can check whether a specific character of substring exists or not. If you want to check any character here, it's existable or not, it's there or not, that what you need to do, what you will do for that. We will just do a print statement, and in print statement, let's say there is a name Lincoln. Is there in a string? If we will run it, then output of this should be a Boolean variable. It should be true or false. So it's false. Similarly, if I will check print any name, let's my name Rima in string. It will also show obviously false. And let's check print the name, any name which is there in the string. Let's say we are saying machine in string. So we can see how a membership works in here in strings. So how we can check whether any particular value or any subpart or any name is there in a string or not. So this is how we can use slicing, and this is how we do slicing in string functions, and we use membership functions in strings in Python. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.